Hi, how
Hi.
are
How, I'm fine. I'm
you?
very fan. You are fan. I'm fan. You are.
Thank you very
I
much, brother.
I saw so much video. You are on YouTube,
Mhm.
and I decided I will call you, but today uh, I I found on WhatsApp group.
Brother, thank you. So, by the way, please tell me your introduction, like who are you, where are you calling from, and what do you do? Little bit.
Okay, I am from Maharashtra. I live in Sangli district,
Mhm.
and I am a two-wheeler mechanic.
Okay.
Yes, and I am working in a small garage, and that's it. I have been learning English last 5 months.
Okay.
Yeah, and at first I have no partner talk with me in English, so that's why I joined this group, WhatsApp group.
Mhm. Okay. So,
Yeah,
bro, please
and
tell me, like, why you are learning English language? What is the behind reason? What is the important about English in your life? Please tell me.
no any uh, important things, but front of my garage, English medium school. So
Okay.
there is so many children and teachers
Mhm.
speak always English each other. So I heard so many times. So
Oh, I see.
that's why I decided I will learn English.
Oh my God! You
So
just
and
saw you, like a school teacher, and they were just conversation each other. That's why you reason you decided to learn a English language. Oh
yeah,
my
yeah, yeah, and
God!
and I have a son, and when I speak fluently, I will teach my son English.
Absolutely, brother. Absolutely. Just teach your son, like, about English language. It's very important. Our life and college and
Yes,
school and career job everywhere is important nowadays. So just learn
yeah,
it and teach your son, teach your, like we can say neighbor also, friend circle. Okay.
yeah,
Sweet language, brother. Sweet and simple language we can learn. Even I'm also beginner. I'm also learning. I'm not teaching. I'm not teacher like that, but I'm improving myself. You with stranger people, with my friend circle. I'm preparing my interview. I'm learning English language. I want to learn, like English proper because I face like I saw many student, many like people employment because of they reject English language. Even I was also rejecting my you know my job like that, my interview. I given a lot of interview, but unfortunately everywhere because of my communication. That's the reason I'm learning day by day, brother.
oh,
I'm calling to the people and talk about like how to learn a English, how to learn a vocabulary, sentence, grammar, and it's very important, brother, how to conversation with stranger people. It's very important. How to
yeah,
start a communication. This is very so, bro. Please tell me about yourself. Like, how do you practice English language, and what kind of instrument you have, your hobby. Please tell
okay.
me everything. Yeah, tell me.
Uh, when I'm free in garage, so I listen any kind of English video on YouTube, and I read English newspaper. And when I go to scrap center, and there I saw a English book in a garbage. So I took this book and I read every day this book, English book.
So do you understand like whatever you read, any novels, any books? Do you understand like?
No, but this book is very simple. First class
Like,
student book, I think, and so uh, simple sentence I read and I translate them in Google Translate.
uh-huh.
So and I screenshot this sentence and whole day whenever I open my mobile, I see this sentence so many times and I make so many sentences through this word.
Okay. So today, like, which sentence you seen? Do you remember any
Uh,
vocabulary in the sentence? Can you share with
yeah,
me?
yeah, yes, yes. Today I make sentences uh, about 1 second. Approximately means lagbhag.
Oh, I see. Approximately. Yeah, we can say like, we are learning English language approximately 3 months, two
Yes, yes.
months, like that. You
So
know?
can you give me some sentence and suggest about approximately?
Like, I'm not sure about brother, but I'm remembering. Okay, I'm going to tell a sentence. I don't know it's right and wrong, but I'm telling. Okay, I'm telling on you. Like we can say, approximately, I reach my place. I
Okay,
was I was given an exam. Approximately, I got marks around 95 percentage. Okay,
okay, okay,
and like we can say third example, approximately I reach my goal, I reach my destination. You can make a little sentence. It's not big issue.
okay,
And it should be
okay,
like
okay.
approximately means like talk. So this is good, say a good word, good vocabulary you can use every time your daily routine. Approximately, like, we can say, I'm not sure about, but I'm going to tell you approximately. I have been learning English language since 6 months ago, I think. Yeah. Okay. This is
Okay,
a simple story. Definitely you will learn. Okay.
okay, thank you, thank you.
Do you
So,
understand what I'm talking about? When I give an example, approximately like, in my college time, I got approximately 75 marks.
okay.
Do you understand how to use?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
say we can say
I will,
second example. Yeah, tell me.
I will make sentence so many today.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So did you make? Please tell me. Definitely, I will learn from your side. Please tell me.
Uh, I make today. Uh, I approximately
Mhm.
I reached there.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
that's great. Yeah, it's good. Okay.
So, so that's it.
Oh, I
I
see. So,
okay, okay.
so what yourself like? What about your study?
I my study my qualification 7th standard only,
Okay.
and
Seven,
I left my school 10 years ago.
10 year ago. Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And now I am working my friend's garage.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Don't worry, if you practice more and more, automatically you will learn English language. So depend on practice, brother. If you practice like more about with your friend circle, about in front of your school, and we can say a children that
Yeah.
enjoy, you learn.
Yes.
So always just
Yes.
listen carefully, try to speak.
Yes. Yes.
Like always you see in your front of teacher, like whenever leave a school, teacher come and they talk about each other, like about English language. So just listen and observe what are they talking about. If you do, definitely you will get idea. And whenever you
Yeah.
get a opportunity, talk with those people, then do it, brother. Don't feel too shy, don't feel scared. Just do it and talk about like, ma'am, sir, can I talk with you little bit about English language?
Yeah.
If you do regular, brother, seriously, you will help. You will implement
Okay.
lots of things. Therefore, just do it, okay? And don't
Okay.
talk a particular teacher. Talk to
Yeah.
different teacher like a ma'am, sir. Please tell me what is that. Please tell me how to learn English language, how to understand. Okay?
Okay. Tell me, brother. Uh,
Yeah, tell.
uh, last year, there was a big gathering in a school. So I heard so many times one sentence, but I am not understood where
Okay,
should this
please.
use sentence. They call so many times. I would like to tell you. I would like to uh, call you. So where's the use? I would like.
Yeah, for example, if you like, can I? Okay, I'm going to tell. Like, most of people why tell about I would like to learn, like tell you what is that, because they like like means what like.
Yeah.
Would you like to, we can say politely word, brother, politely ask about in front of people? Would you like to
What
call you? Would you
what
like to
what
speak? Yeah.
what the meaning in Hindi?
हिंदी मीनिंग ब्रदर लाइक, क्या मैं आपको ले सकता हूँ, क्या मैं आपसे ले सकता हूँ, क्या मैं आपके साथ जा सकता हूँ, लाइक दैट. दिस इज हिंदी
Okay.
वर्ड.
But
लाइक टू.
uh,
या आई एम
can
गोइंग टू.
can भी use कर सकते.
Yes,
You can come.
can means what, like whenever we go to outside, whenever if we ask about a permission, can I call you? So right now I'm asking you, can I call you sir, can I call you brother? So I'm asking a permission. So over there
Okay.
we can use the can. But if we talk about would you like to, would you means like politely word, politely sentence, vocabulary we can say. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
ब्रदर, क्या मैं आपसे बात कर सकता हूँ? Would you like to? Can I talk with you? Like that. This is politely, sweet and simple. So most of people
Okay.
they use it. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you can
Okay.
also you can just use your daily routine. This is good. We can say good like sentence and words like that. Would you like to?
Okay. Okay.
You use, people will try to attract with you. Would you like to talk with you? Would you like to go with me? Would you like to make a video?
Yeah. 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 I will make sentence.
Yes, definitely, just make it lots of sentence, and
Okay.
definitely you will get a implement about English language day by day. Okay, but we have
Okay.
to struggle, we have to learn. If you passion about, brother, then definitely learn. Just spend the more, and whatever you do, just think about more than just think about little bit, like what video with Samir. I'm enjoying and I'm learning. I'm doing work. Today I will go to attend a party. Like that, just explain yourself.
Okay.
If you
So
do that,
now I
knowledge. Yeah.
oh, now I am going to Sangli district, my district.
Yeah. So can just talk to yourself like right now I'm going to Sangli district for job purpose, for meeting purpose, for like friend
Yeah.
circle.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Keep going, do hard work and practice more and more. Definitely you will able to talk in front of people without hesitation one day. Okay. So just do
okay.
hard work and always think a English language. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So have a nice day, brother, and enjoy your
Nice
Sunday
day. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
side and take a enjoyment. Okay.
Nice to talk with you.
Thank you very
Bye.
much for speaking with me. Bye bye. See you.
See you.